Hi, I'm Barbara Thomas, a realtor with John Ray Realty, and today I'm with Barbara Clark of Bancorp South. Barbara, tell us a little bit about who you are and what your experience is in banking.
Well, I've been in banking probably since the late 70s and just began, like most people do as a teller and worked my way up. And eventually I got into the mortgage department around 1995. And so I've been doing home loans since then, and I've really enjoyed it. There's so many aspects, things change every day, and it's just something new to learn, every day. I enjoy helping people get in their homes.
Tell us a little bit about an FHA loan.
I love FHA. I think it's a great loan for people, couples or single people. The good thing is just the minimum down payment. It's a little easier on credit and things like that. So it's just really a good all-around loan.
Tell me, what is the down payment amount?
The down payment is 3.5%, which is just wonderful. Just if you calculate that, that's just such a low down payment. And you can get that down payment, you can save it yourself, or a family member can give you a gift of the down payment and the closing costs. So that's a plus for that type of loan.
Now, can the seller participate in closing costs also?
Yes, they can pay up to 6% of the closing cost in prepaids. So, that's going to depend on the sale price, whether we can use all of that 6% or not. It cannot overlay and go into the 3.5% down.
I see. Are there limitations about location of property?
No, and that's also a plus. There's no limitation on where you buy. Like many loan programs, you have to buy in a certain area outside the city limits, things like that. But this one you can buy anywhere in our area.
Great. Now, what about income? Are there income limitations?
No, there goes another plus. There's no income limitation like there are on some programs, so you can make tons of money and it's okay.
What about a credit score? Do you have a minimum credit score?
Yes, and our bank, Bancorp, from what I hear around the community, we've got one of the lowest credit scores available, and we start at 620. So that's very good for people just entering, and maybe they don't have a lot of credit, but it's still good credit. But 620 is the minimum score here.
Is there a top value that the house cannot exceed or go over?
Right. The maximum loan is about $271, so that would be a sale price of around $280 maximum for FHA.
What if you have a student who's just getting out of college and they want to get in a home? Is there something that's available for them without a long-term record of employment?
Yes. When that happens and they're just going into their field of work that they obtain their degree in, we ask for a transcript. We have to have an original transcript from the university. And as long as they have a month of current pay stubs, we can go ahead and count that job and qualify them.
So you like to get people in their homes, and the FHA is a good way to get
it's really
them.
good. It's an easy, loan. The debt ratio is another thing that sometimes they can go up to 49% total debt ratio, and that's your current debt on your credit report plus the new home payment. And that's really lenient because most programs are 43 to 45% maximum total debt ratio. So another plus, for FHA.
Great. Well, thank you for sharing with us today, Barbara.
Yes,
and
be glad to.
if you're looking for a loan, Barbara Clark with Bancorp South is great. The FHA, there are many other loans available, so if the FHA is not the one you're looking at, just call her, and she'll be glad to help you. Thank you for being with us today.